The chromosomal theory of inheritance, proposed in the early 20th century, revolutionized our understanding of genetics and heredity. Building on the foundational work of Gregor Mendel, this theory linked the behavior of chromosomes during cell division with the inheritance of traits. It not only confirmed Mendel's laws of inheritance, but also provided insight into the molecular mechanisms behind genetic transmission. The theory remains one of the cornerstones of modern genetics and continues to influence research in areas such as gene expression, evolution, and medical genetics. The concept of chromosomes had already been established by the late 19th century, but their connection to inheritance was unclear. During the 1900s, a series of groundbreaking discoveries began to piece together the puzzle. Scientists like Thomas Hunt Morgan, working with the fruit fly, Drosophila melanogaster, played a pivotal role in linking chromosomes to inheritance. Morgan's experiments, which studied the inheritance of traits such as eye color and wing shape in fruit flies, demonstrated that specific genes were located on chromosomes and that these genes were inherited together during reproduction. Morgan's key contribution to the chromosomal theory of inheritance came in the form of his work on sex-linked traits. He discovered that the inheritance of traits such as eye color in Drosophila was associated with the X chromosome. This observation led to the realization that genes, the fundamental units of heredity, were located on chromosomes. Further experiments revealed that chromosomes not only carried genetic information, but also played a crucial role in the segregation of alleles during meiosis, the process that ensures genetic diversity in offspring. The chromosomal theory of inheritance states that chromosomes are the carriers of genes, and that the inheritance of genes is determined by the behavior of chromosomes during cell division. This theory directly connects Mendel's laws of inheritance with the physical behavior of chromosomes during meiosis and mitosis. According to the theory, each organism carries a set of chromosomes, and these chromosomes come in pairs, one set inherited from each parent. The segregation of these chromosomes during cell division results in the independent assortment of genes, as described by Mendel's law of segregation and law of independent assortment. The theory also explains the transmission of sex-linked traits. In humans and many other species, sex is determined by specific chromosomes, known as sex chromosomes. Males typically have one X and one Y chromosome, XY, while females have two X chromosomes, XX. The X chromosome carries genes for many traits, and the inheritance of these traits follows specific patterns based on the sex chromosomes. For example, because males have only one X chromosome, they are more likely to express recessive traits carried on the X chromosome. With the chromosomal theory of inheritance, the role of chromosomes in the transmission of genetic traits became clearer. It also provided an explanation for the segregation and independent assortment of genes, which were central to Mendel's work. This theory laid the groundwork for later discoveries in molecular genetics, such as the identification of DNA as the molecule responsible for genetic information and the understanding of gene mutations and recombination. The theory's influence extends beyond basic genetics. It provided critical insights into human genetics, evolutionary biology, and the development of genetic technologies. The study of chromosomes and their behavior has led to the discovery of chromosomal abnormalities, such as Down syndrome, which results from an extra copy of chromosome 21. It has also contributed to the development of genetic therapies and diagnostic tools for various inherited disorders. In summary, the chromosomal theory of inheritance cemented the understanding that chromosomes are the physical structures that carry genes, and that the inheritance of traits follows predictable patterns based on the behavior of these chromosomes. This theory not only bridged the gap between Mendel's work and the molecular biology that followed, but also revolutionized our understanding of heredity and laid the foundation for modern genetics.